Hi guys, Paulie here with Modders Inc. and I'm standing here with Kevin from ModMyMods at their booth at PAX EAST 2018. He's gonna go some of the cool ass shit that they got here to show us. So go see what you got.
Sounds like a plan. What's going on, guys? It's Kevin here with ModMyMods, helping out Modders Inc., Paul, and everybody else there. You guys are great, and we wanted to say thank you. We also wanted to just give you a quick tour about what we brought here to the booth here at PAX EAST 2018. This particular computer that we got here is actually the CEO's computer, our lake effect build that took us quite a bit of time to actually make. But what we wanted to do is show you guys that you can put all sorts of different components inside of your computer to make it what you want it to be. All of the things that you see inside here we actually sell on our website, and we have the ability to ship to you worldwide. So we wanted to show that all of the components are aqua computer, as well as the Mayhem's nano pastel fluid inside with borrow fittings. All of those again on our website. We sell all of that stuff, and we also do hydro dipping as well as paintwork and powder coating. So if you guys are interested in that, you also have the ability to send us an email at support@modmymods.com, because we're actually one of the few companies that do respond to emails. There's a small company, and that's what we do. We like to give our community a little bit more than just the standard definition. So on top of Lake Effect, we also try and go a little bit above and beyond, and we ended up bringing SkullyJ. And what SkullyJ is, he's a water-cooled Odroid, and the reason we went with an Odroid was because the Raspberry Pi wasn't powerful enough to run the Nintendo 64. So what we ended up doing is we took the Raspberry Pi water cooling kit that we sell, and we were actually the first company to make it, and we used the same blocks, the same tubing, the same splitters, and everything that actually comes with your kit on SkullyJ. And what we wanted to kind of simulate, because he's a skeleton and he's not living, we wanted to show the heart as the pumps, and one channel and two channels, so you have your veins and your arteries, and you have the lungs as the radiators. But that's what we like to do. We like to have fun with the things that we do, and we like to see what you guys come up with too. So last but not least, we got our F1 style build that was created by our very own Brony, the warehouse manager here at ModMyMods. And inside of here is mostly all water-cooled products. Water-cooled is designed and made in Germany. They make everything by themselves and design it all by themselves. They got some pretty high quality stuff, awesome looking blocks. I mean, they just make some incredible things. So we wanted to also show that not only do our customers build computers, but we build computers too, and we use them as well. But we want to show you, this is what you can come up with. This is what you can be capable of. We know we can do it, but we want to see what you come up with. I know what rattles around in here, it's not much, but I don't know what goes on inside your head. So, and that's what brings us joy here at ModMyMods. So make sure you check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and thanks again to Modders Inc. and Paul and everybody there. You guys have been fantastic to us, and thanks again. We'll see you next PAX.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to Modders Inc. for more coverage of PAX EAST 2018 from Boston, Massachusetts.